unusual signal here. Ooh, not very deep. Don't think it's iron or tin. There we go, we've got something coming out. I do not believe this. This is a snake buckle. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo! Oh my goodness! Jeez, that's off the bucket list. My very first snake buckle. I think you can tell that I'm a little bit happy. And it's even got one side of the buckle on there. Oh wow! Oh wow! Got a signal on the surface of about 14. That is a snake buckle. Unbelievable! My second snake buckle. Pretty happy chappy. That was just right on the surface. Okay, let's lift it up. It's a snake buckle, all right. Oh wow! Look at the tail. See what sort of head it is. Is it a flat head? I think it is. So meaning that it's not in side profile, it's in top to bottom profile. So that's the top of the head there, and that's the side of the head there. Different pattern underneath, like a belly. Oh, it has. It's just like little belly marks there. So that is certainly a different one than before, because the other one had the pattern the same side. This is the underside. Did not expect to be coming out here tonight to find a snake buckle, but that's the beauty about metal detecting for long lost items. You just don't know what you're going to find. I'm very, very happy. Oh, that is a keeper. Signal here. This is the old area, a lot of broken glass. Saying it's fairly deep. Okay, let's get down a bit. Right there. Slowly uncover it, there it is. Bit of it. See it in the sidewall there? It's another buckle, I do believe. That's getting like a snake buckle. That's where the snake went through that loop there, but oh, wow. Not going to go any further. I think I have found another snake buckle. Look at that, I'll take a few photos. You see that? Over 100 years that's been under the ground, now it's coming out. What I'll do is I'll expose it all and get another photo of it in situ, because that looks fantastic. Whew.
How's the condition of it? This dry sand.
Yeah.
It just, there's no moisture. It preserves it like it was put there bloody yesterday.
Well, it'll be interesting once you get it out. We'll put the detectors back over that area and see if there's anything else associated with it. But that's incredible.
Well, an Enfield rifle that used to belong to would be nice. It's not asking too
There
much.
we go. I think that's probably going to fall very soon. Oh, has it got pattern on the other side? It has too.
That is
Wow.
absolutely
Look at
beautiful.
the condition.
Look at the head. You can see the feathers. I think you're right. I think that is a bird. I think you want to have a hold, don't you, mate? Surely, surely
That is incredible. Got a good signal here. Found an old screw. And this is 21, 22. Okay. Oh, there we go. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. That is an old buckle. Now, won't it be very, very cool if there's something that was attached to that buckle? Woohoo! Happy days, 1800s, late 1800s. Another signal just where I got that buckle. (18, 19, 17). Good conductivity. Okay, we'll do the same thing, stop the video and we'll start it again when we find the target. Okay, let's see how we go. It's right there. Oh, just felt something. Oh, another snake buckle. And that's the other side of the one I just found. Oh, how good is that? Oh, you can tell I'm a little bit happy. Oh, what a ripper. Look at the depth of the hole. That's, just about a pointer deep. Oh, so stoked. Beautiful. Beautiful snake buckle. Thank you very much. (20, 21). Right down there. This is all old stuff. This is all late 1800s. Wow. Yeah, definitely snake buckle like. I do have another signal here as well, so we're going to have a look at that one right now. Okay, it's fairly deep down here. See that? It is definitely... Oh, look, there's something on there. Oh! It is the snake buckle! Wow! It is the snake buckle! Whoa, look at that! You wouldn't think that had been in the sand for over 100 years. So let's just put them together now for the very first time in over 100 years. There you go. A snake buckle. Complete. That is awesome. Nice solid 20 there. It's down here amongst all that kangaroo poo, looking like a Paris buckle. And it is a Paris buckle. Geez, I like finding these. It's a good solid signal. Chunky little pieces of metal. Look at that, very sharp. So that's the back of a waistcoat, just a clothing tightener. And it does have Paris written on there. Okay, that might be tin, the way it chirped out at the end there. Let's dig it out a bit here. So it's up around 15 plus. It's always a good signal. Oh. Ah, ha, ha. Oh wow, that is phenomenal. Did not expect that. I was starting to think it was perhaps a 10 because it chirped out, but that was 15. That's another double-headed snake. I did not expect a snake buckle to come out like that. Way out west. Wow. Oh, give me a high five there. I told you, worth the wait, isn't it? Oh, awesome. Oh, I reckon we're going to show that to Jack and Reese. Awesome. A snake.
Together. I'm so happy.
Woohoo! Complete snake buckle. What a bucket
Swan
list.
head too.
Yeah, swan head. What a bucket lister. Well done, mate. That's a ripper. There it is right there. Oh my goodness. Ah, you know what that is? Go have another closer look. That, my friends, is a snake buckle. Wow, look at that. I do love these snake buckles. There's a lot more to them. They're very much a symbol that's been around since the Roman times. Okay, there's a few bugs around, but we have a good signal here. It's a bit funny. Still, let's find out what this is. Bit of all glass over there. Might be fairly deep. Okay, got the target down here. Oh, there we go. Expose that a little bit. You see that there? Buckle like. Let's take it down from the top. That's another snake. Is that another snake buckle? absolutely blown away if it is. It is right there. Woo! How's this? Live jigs, you gotta love them. That is awesome. Oh, beautiful. Oh, that is fantastic. I don't think that's one I've got yet. Oh, look at that. Lovely head on it. Fantastic. Ooh. Beautiful snake buckle. Wow. Beautiful morning on the 17th of April 2020. It's probably a can. Would say it'd be modern. Relatively shallow. Oh, I love it. Good start. Okay, got a good target here. $17. Very consistent. 17 from that direction. 17 from that direction. We've got a piece of glass. You can see just on the ground there, bottom of a bottle. And let's see what we've got here. What can this be? Not very deep. Right about there. Snake buckles come in at 15, 16. Okay, that's certainly picked that up at a good depth for the pointer. Tell me it's good conductivity. Might be another piece of lead. Okay, there it is there. Ooh. Got a buckle? Don't know. Let's get a bit closer. It's looking good. Oh, it's got fancy on. Is that a bit of a snake? Something connected to that. I'll take a few photos and then I'll keep on going. This is awesome. Geez, I'm liking this. Okay, we'll keep on having a look. Is this a piece of glass? Yep. Let's move that out of the way. Oh, there's something connected to that. That's definitely part of a buckle. The hoop there, and we've got something coming through the hoop. Is this another snake buckle? Oh, it'll be fantastic if it is. That'll be a birthday present and a half. And I don't know. It might just be another snake buckle. Oh, I think it is. Let's just take another photo. Wow, this is fantastic. Incredible. Look at this. It's in beauty. Look at that top. Look at the actual buckle of it. That is so ornate. I wonder if the other end's around here somewhere. That is so nice. Woohoo! The design I haven't got, and that is beautiful snake buckle. This is a superb snake buckle. Very ornate loop at the top there. Lovely snake with half a pattern. Either side, different pattern, and then that's the inside of the loop there. Fantastic. Single-headed snake, swan's head, and a very ornate loop. Wow. Got a good target right here. That definitely these things buckle like. That's the plate, and then that's the one of the holders for the belt. Well, we're going to find out. It's just underneath this stick. Good if it's deep. There it is. Hear that? Woohoo! 22 is always good. The way that it fluctuated. It's got a bit of depth to it too. That was up and down. It's got a bit of good depth to it. It's right in here. Let's get rid of all of that. I just felt something. There it is. It feels smooth. Okay. You see that there? Oh, that looks awesome. Just reveal a little bit of it. It's circular. That is a snake buckle. Woohoo! Ha ha! Oh, cricket buckle yesterday, snake buckle now. Okay, I'm going to make the hole a bit bigger. Wow, that is awesome. Just see the head of the snake right there. Rightio, look at that there. That is a snake buckle. It's only about 10 metres from where I picked up the cricket buckle yesterday. So this is definitely a good, it was a camping spot for the pearlers. Look at that. That is awesome. Shall we get it out of the hole? Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Yes. Woo! And the snake appears. Look at that. Wow. He's a ripper. Beautiful snake. Very heavy too. It's a cricket snake. Oh, I've always wanted one of these. It's a cricket snake. Oh, well, that has made my day, week, month, and I think it's made my year. A cricket snake. This is the top of the bucket list when it comes to snake buckles, I reckon. A cricket snake buckle. So I've only ever seen one of these before on a metal detecting page on Facebook, and this is totally amazing. Look at the condition of that. It's hardly worn actually, where the loop goes through. That is just so beautiful. So that's the side I saw first of all, and I've seen that design before, so I thought I was pretty happy, but then flicked it over and was even happier. Wow. So this would date roughly 1870, 1880, 1890, not much after 1890. Of course, cricket buckles are all the rage in the 1850s, 1860s, 1870s. So yeah, this is possibly 150 years old and possibly been buried here, better part of 140 or so. Wow. That is so cool. I love snake buckles, especially a cricket snake buckle. So found a cricket buckle yesterday. and then a cricket snake buckle today. Pretty stoked. Woof!